Hey babes! In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do these braids, which I call stadium braids. It's a really cute design that can be done on both females and males, so keep watching to see how it's done. Starting out, you can't see it but I have the back section off, and I'm working with freshly blow-dried hair. You want to start from around the temples, and the key here is to make sure you look straight at the head so that you get your parts right. So starting with my first part, it's just a curve that I'm creating from near the temples of the head. Just think of these first parts as two halves of a circle, and try to eyeball as best you can. So now starting the parting for my first braid, I'm starting from the center of the head and curving it out. Here you want to have a clear idea of the width you want your braids to be. Then make your part. And then do your braid. You don't want to overthink it. You can always adjust. So now getting to the second braid on the opposite side. Again, you want to start from the middle and just mirror the first braid. Now you have something to go off of since that first braid gives you a visual. You should have something like a teardrop shape in the middle. And again, I just do a simple braid in the direction of the part. Now you want to build on that foundation. I'm starting the part just after the curve of the first braid, and then rounding it out all the way to the back. Then once again, you do a simple braid in the shape of the part you just made. And the same thing goes for the next part. You just want to eyeball it and use your imagination to guide your parting. I have a pretty vivid mind, so this is natural for me. Do what makes sense to you. Remember, symmetry is king. And repeat the process until you've finished. The last braid is a simple one to close in that small remaining space. And I finished the sides off camera, just doing some curved braids to fill them in. And that's it. It comes out really elegant, and there are so many ways you can style the back. You can leave it straight, or add a ponytail and do a donut bun like I did here. You can also do half up, half down, or curl the back. It's up to you. I hope I provided some value to you today. Like this video and subscribe to keep in touch. Later, babes.